give us a sit. Very good girl, thank you. Okay, what do we got? Let's read the card. Puppy love. I've got a crush on Chew. That's so nice. We get the super chewer box because she destroys these guys in like not even 15 minutes. All right, what do we have? Oh, wow, we've got Suckle for Love. Be my Valentine. Okay, we'll take this off. You can have it. Thank you. What else is in here? Can you sit? Very good girl. Oh, we got a chocolate bonbon. It's a good girl. Take it. Oh, wow. This one, oh, Squid, that's a squeaker. Okay, we got one more. Come here. She loves these. We saved the best for last. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh, it's Ready Teddy. Wait. Okay, there we go. All right. Thanks, barkbox. We love everything. I don't get any of these products sent to me. I purchased it all myself. So we do have a code though if you want to get a super chewer box or just a regular bark box. I will leave the codes linked down below.